Bank of England has made a significant announcement. Starting from May 1st, 2025, it will require the adoption of ISO 2022. This move is aimed at promoting enhanced data usage in the UK payment sector. The mandate includes specific requirements for interbank payments and real estate transactions. Purpose codes will be mandatory for these transactions. Additionally, interbank payments will need to include legal entity identifiers. This initiative is part of a broader trend towards standardization and efficiency in the global financial system. ISO 2022 is a global standard for financial messaging. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization. This standard allows for more detailed and structured data transmission. It facilitates automation and analysis in payment processing. The Bank of England's decision indicates an acceleration in ISO 2022 adoption across the financial industry. Many central banks and payment systems are moving towards this standard. This contributes to the modernization of global financial infrastructure. Alongside this development, blockchain technology is gaining prominence. The Bank of England has partnered with Ripple, a US blockchain startup. This partnership shows that traditional financial institutions are actively exploring blockchain integration. It's important to note that blockchain is not replacing existing financial networks like SWIFT. Instead, these networks are evolving by incorporating blockchain technology. SWIFT is not a payment platform. It's a messaging network based on the ISO 2022 standard. SWIFT serves as an intermediary for communication between banks. Blockchain protocols like XRPL and HBAR are compatible with ISO 2022. They can communicate effectively with SWIFT. These blockchains host tokens, but their real value comes from the activities and messaging on the ledger. The market value of tokens is derived from everything built, transferred, and recorded on the network. It's unlikely that SWIFT will be completely replaced. Instead, it will likely maintain its intermediary position while integrating blockchain protocols and evolving. Blockchain and distributed ledger technology, DLT, share many similar functions. They are particularly similar in terms of asset tokenization. However, there's a key difference in how the network is controlled. DLTs like XRPL and Hedera Hashgraph are fully audited and approved at the validator level. Not everyone can freely participate in network validation. This is a crucial factor that distinguishes DLT from blockchain. The adoption of blockchain in banking is closely tied to the adoption of ISO 2022. SWIFT acknowledges that for banks to adopt blockchain for payments, they must first adopt ISO 2002. While ISO 2022 doesn't directly address blockchain, it provides richer and more flexible data standards within existing messaging systems. This enhances compatibility with blockchain technology and facilitates integration. The financial industry is not discarding traditional systems entirely. Instead, it's evolving by incorporating new technologies. The adoption of ISO 2022 and the integration of blockchain technology are significant steps in this evolution. It's expected that this will lead to increased efficiency and modernization of the financial system. The result will likely be a more rapid and transparent international payment system. The Bank of England's mandate for ISO 2022 adoption is a clear indicator of this trend. It shows a commitment to enhancing data usage in the payment sector. The specific requirements for interbank payments and real estate transactions demonstrate the practical applications of this standard. The inclusion of purpose codes and legal entity identifiers will increase transparency and traceability in financial transactions. This move aligns with global efforts to standardize financial messaging. It will likely improve interoperability between different financial systems and institutions. The partnership between the Bank of England and Ripple is particularly noteworthy. It shows that even traditional financial institutions are recognizing the potential of blockchain technology. This collaboration could lead to innovative solutions in the banking sector. The evolution of SWIFT is another important aspect to consider. As it integrates blockchain technology, it's adapting to the changing landscape of financial technology. This adaptation ensures that SWIFT remains relevant in the face of emerging technologies. The distinction between blockchain and DLT is crucial for understanding the future of financial technology. The controlled nature of DLTs like XRPL and Hedera Hashgraph makes them more attractive for regulated financial institutions. This could influence the direction of blockchain adoption in the banking sector. The relationship between ISO 2022 and blockchain adoption is complex. The standard provides a foundation for integrating blockchain into existing financial systems. This integration could lead to more efficient and transparent financial transactions. As these technologies converge, we can expect to see significant changes in how financial transactions are conducted globally. The move towards a more rapid and transparent international payment system will have far-reaching implications. It could reduce transaction times, lower costs, and increase security in international finance. This evolution represents a significant step forward in the modernization of the global financial system.